Hi, I'm Genesis Mercado. Our topic for today is unboxing of this Bici mountain bike helmet. Hi, I'm Genesis Mercado. Our topic for today is unboxing of this Bici mountain bike helmet. So Bici is one of the most affordable, premium quality mountain bike helmet that you can buy in the market right now. So I bought it at SM Mall of Asia yesterday. Okay. Bici is a Taiwanese brand. So our review for today is not sponsored, so this is an honest review. Okay, so for the helmet, so this is the helmet. Okay. What I like about this helmet is the light at the back. So you just need to press this button. So this is a steady light. It can flicker, so press it again. Ayan. So I like helmet with lights at the back because it gives you more visibility when you are driving your bicycle. I also like the multiple vents and the style. Okay, so the size of my helmet is medium. The measurement is 54 to 58 centimeter. Okay, so this is how it looks when you fit it. Okay. There's also foam, removable foam inside this one. So I like the style. I like the light. No. So I recommend this Bici mountain bike helmet. Okay, so that's all.